Hi, I'm Lachelle Cunningham, owner and executive chef at Healthy Roots Institute, and today we're doing my smoky mushroom flatbread. So let's get started. We actually took raw sunflower seeds and soaked them overnight. An alternative to that is going to be taking those raw sunflower seeds and pouring boiling water over them and letting them soak for about 20 minutes. We're also going to add in some water. We've got some lemon juice. We've got apple cider vinegar, a couple pinches of salt. The crema is really going to bring a nice creaminess to the dish. It has a nice flavor to it, so it's got some nuttiness, some creaminess. Start blending. All right, so our sunflower seed crema is now complete. Now we're gonna set this aside and get ready to prep our shallots and mushrooms. We're just gonna chop a few mushrooms. You can use a variety of mushrooms here. I have a nice little spread with the chestnut and the oyster, lion's mane. So now I'm gonna go ahead and chop my shallot. And if you don't have shallots at home, you can use onions, and we're just gonna give them a nice slice. All right, now we're finished with our prep. Let's head over to the range and get cooking. We're gonna go ahead and get our garlic oil going. We'll start with 30 cloves of garlic. We've got a cup of olive oil. What I love about cooking with natural gas is that I can really control the heat. Right now, I've got it going and I can adjust my heat down when I want it to simmer. So we're gonna let this simmer for about 20 minutes until golden brown and the garlic cloves are nice and tender. Next, we are going to caramelize our shallots. Put a little oil in our pan and then go ahead and add our shallots in. Add a little salt. It's gonna really bring out the sweetness in our shallots. Exactly what it means, caramelization, right? So we're letting those sugars really develop. We're gonna let this simmer for about 20 minutes until they're nice and caramelized. We have removed our shallots from the pan. We're gonna add some of our already made garlic oil. We will add in our mushrooms. Mushrooms have a lot of moisture in them, so we wanna kinda let them set for about 2-3 minutes before we start to stir them. I am gonna season them with a little salt, some fresh thyme, and now we're gonna deglaze our pan with a little white wine. The aromas! Wine is mostly cooked off, and turn it down a little bit and add a few drops of liquid smoke. I think our mushrooms are done. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off our heat. All right, now we have our mushrooms done, we have our caramelized shallots, and we have our roasted garlic. So we're gonna add them all together. And now we're gonna move on to doing our flatbread and put this all together. I've gone ahead and rolled out my pre-made pizza dough, and we're gonna use our roasted garlic oil to cook our flatbread in. Our pan is nice and warm, so we gotta get that flatbread in there. This flatbread is going to cook about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. You'll start to see some bubbles forming. And I really want to get this to be nice and crispy, so natural gas is lovely for that. So now I'm going to finish it on the other side and get both sides nice and golden. Now that our flatbread is done, it's nice and golden brown. We have everything we need to assemble our flatbread. We've got our creamy sunflower seed crema. We're going to add our smoky mushroom, caramelized onion, and roasted garlic mixture, pepitas. Top it with some lovely microgreens. Just a little fresh cracked pepper. I'm Chef Lachelle Cunningham, owner and executive chef at Healthy Roots Institute, and this is my smoky mushroom flatbread.